How many just flat out horrific things did I just record? From the backfiring glass pack idiot way in the background that I just heard, to this fucking self-important bitch who out of everyone here thinks she needs to have reverse beeping noises. It's not gonna turn you into a better parker, by the way. Look at that, she has to go somewhere else. How fucked are we that people who can't parallel park have the reverse beep on their car and you get to listen to them fail all night long? But of course, the most disturbing is the dog crying, pleading, and no one listening. How about the noise level of a single car going by? How about the planes that never stop? You hear? You hear that dumb bitch? She's trying to parallel park somewhere else up the street. Ding! 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 How long have humans had cars? All of a sudden, every fucking car has to have a beep letting you know that it's being locked, that it's being unlocked, that you're coming close to it, that the lift gate is opening, that it's going into gear, that it's going into park, that it's in neutral, that it's in reverse. I'm telling you, the fucking planes, dude. Something's changed. Planes don't stop anymore. I might as well keep this video going because we're about to go by another example. This fucking floodlight whore on the corner here. She's got another miserable, neglected prisoner inside that's gonna bark, but only after her fucking security camera screams at anyone going by.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Just misery, misery, misery everywhere that humans are allowed to own other creatures.